Kin's finished, man. He ain't moving.
Yeah.
Oh,
if it wasn't Kinemon, if it wasn't anybody else,
bro.
I would have been like, yo, he's dead.
No, safe to say.
Kinemon, so
yeah, Kinemon's out.
he's gonna survive, but he's fucked up.
Come on, Oden, where you at? Everyone knows Oden.
Like how Oden just watched it.
There he is.
Like he just watched him get low diff like that.
Oden, stop playing around and deal with the situation, please. Circle.
I read it, fam.
The Oden teaching fight.
I knew it.
He just Oden in front of him. Her, I keep saying him.
That's totally Holden.
I told you, Oden.
He worried about his food, man. I feel him.
Yeah,
He has balls.
okay.
But I get it if he does. But I don't want.
Holding a grudge in this situation.
Age of 15, this guy had his own harem.
Edma and I mean, how about Kitty?
It is gonna be a one shot.
Kiri, something. I
It
don't
might
know.
be a one banger.
Sawa and Mashup.
It might be a one banger.
Hey.
True sword style.
Ooh, look at the animation.
Oh yeah, rest in peace, boy. That's some nice meal for
Oh,
the
Is this a
True
one
sword
banger?
style.
Bro,
Look at the
he's
hustle.
Black arms, boy.
It's a nice ham sandwich, bro.
Let's see what
He
he
finna
does.
one shot him?
Let's see. Let's see.
One shot? Ooh. Hey yo!
Speed.
Damn.
Overkill, my guy!
Okay, let's see.
Oh my god! Odin!
Scrap it, get out of here, get out of here. No.
Paradise what? Paradise what?
He sliced him in half!
Come on, dude, just
Alright, I gotta pull
talk about overkill, bro.
Brother, he
just
actually
wanted her
cut the
kid.
board in half.
How do you girls like, yeah, I don't
He
want
just
it.
wanted
I
his
thought I was
comeback.
wrong. I did say this guy, he's gonna cut the board in half. He actually did.
He just wanted.